Hello, and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So, what a performance today. It was a really good day for the crypto sector. The price hasn't moved much since the last update. What I can tell you is that from the Monday low, we have a very solid 5-wave move up all the way down into the smallest wave degree, in my opinion. Okay, so we have a very clear 5-wave move up with a 5th wave that is slightly extended. If this is the correct interpretation, I mean, it certainly is a 5-wave move. What I cannot fully rule out is that even something more directly bullish is playing out. But for now, I'm still watching for a potential wave 2 pullback. Just when everybody gets super bullish, can of course happen that a pullback starts to occur. It is now the time to do it, right? But as I said in the last video, there is a level that needs to be broken first to indicate that some kind of a pullback happens, or to indicate that some kind of a local top is happening. By the way, in this video, I really only want to give you a quick update after the daily candle close. I want to give you a short-term update. We talked about the daily chart earlier today, so there's not a lot of context in here, but it gives an idea of where we are. The support area is located between 91,645 and 96,233. What we often say is that, when a wave 2 happens, and that's what I'm watching for now, right? When a wave 2 happens, and it's too early to confirm it, but when it happens, we can watch for support in the area of a previous wave 4 of one lesser wave degree. So we talk about the area around maybe 95.5K. Not exactly there, but, we could say pay attention to the area between the 50% retracement and the 38.2 retracement, between $94,870 and $96,233. The move up is technically complete. I mean, it is now. I mean, yesterday I wasn't quite happy with it. It was quite a weak wave, a 5th wave, and then it extended, obviously fueled by CPI volatility. You know that. We've all been there. And, well, that happened, and then it just formed a more healthy 5-wave move, and that is the case for many altcoin structures at the moment. Now, that means all we can do is highlight, okay, where could we find resistance? I mentioned in the last video this yellow trend line, which is currently being respected. I'm showing that on the daily chart and here on the short-term chart. And further extensions are, of course, possible. It takes minimally a break below the last swing low located here at 98,650 to indicate that some kind of a top is in place. So typically I'm tracking an ABC structure first. I was already watching, or let's kind of expecting, that we would maybe wake up today to a wave 2, but it extended a little bit further, that wave 1. So we'll see if that happens. I mean, that's all I can say. Next resistance, if we continue to grind higher without breaking below the previous low, we continue to grind higher, then the next swing high and resistance is located around $102,700. That is the previous B wave high. And I can tell you, well, a move above that would invalidate the white structure as it is. The white bearish count is still valid. Wave 1 down, and then A, B, C in wave 2. Even though less probable due to the extent of the move, it's not been invalidated. That's very important. And you could say now, okay, but we have a bullish move up. We do. It's a 5-wave move up. It could easily be the C wave in a wave 2. Therefore, any bullish pattern that might be developing right now, or might have developed, it needs to be further confirmed by a pullback into the support area, or at least by because without that move I can't confirm it. I mean, we could grind higher. At some point we have to say, okay, this is not the bearish count anymore. Already now, as you know, I'm leaning towards the bullish count, but it still needs to be confirmed by holding a higher low in the pullback. That's what we want to see. And we don't always get this nice 1-2 setup. We don't always get another setup. Yeah, this is trading. This is live, especially on smaller time frames. Sometimes these patterns are distorted, but there is at the moment no evidence that it wants to go up more directly. Okay, so we are watching for a move up. We are watching for a move down, a pullback. It's not bearish. I'm simply watching for a pullback, and these pullbacks are typically high reward, low risk opportunities. Can I guarantee it will hold? No. That's why I said it needs to a bullish reversal to the upside needs to be confirmed in the first decent pullback. It would be an ABC structure. Now I'm just labeling it like that. I'm not saying this is exactly how it's playing out, because we don't have a confirmation yet that a pullback has started. All I see at the moment there is a red candle. I could definitely see, it possibly extending even further. If we say we have a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and this would be a wave 5 of 5. I mean, maybe this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it gets like one more squiggle to the upside, but that is kind of guesswork on this time frame, right? That's why I have this red line, which needs to be crossed to indicate that a top of sorts has formed. It's the first indication, okay? So further evidence then with a break below the previous low at 96,500. That's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. And if you are interested in the membership, you can check out our channel page. It explains what the membership is about. There's a channel trailer, and you can get access, for example, to a lot of member-only updates. Today, we covered Rune, Quant, and Algorand in a specific member-only update. You get access to Sunday member live streams, and as a gold member, you even get access to our Discord server for a lot of additional updates, Tradingview live chart access to our live charts. You get access to short-term updates, a lot of educational material, and much more. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.